up, campers?
Hi.
Today is a travel day.
Travel day.
It's not that exciting, but it's also really expensive.
We left this morning from St. Louis around 5 a.m.
Yep.
in the middle of a severe thunderstorm.
Yeah, and we were going the same direction as the thunderstorm, so we got to stay in the thunderstorm for like
all day. It's 11 o'clock now, and it's just like it's still sprinkling.
Yeah.
We're just on the outskirts of it.
Seriously, 6 hours in a thunderstorm. It's travel day.
Travel day.
But we are headed, that's the important part, to the Smoky Mountains.
Yes. We're headed to Smoky Mountain National Park.
We got a whole bunch of things to do.
Yep, we're going to be in Tennessee for about 10 days, so we are loaded up with all kinds of fun adventures. Tonight we're staying at Cedars of Lebanon State Park in Lebanon, Tennessee, and that's just for tonight, and then tomorrow we will head to our week-long campground.
Yeah, buddy. And our week-long campground has premium sites. Now, we don't have a 100% idea what that means, but they're big, completely like concrete with a lot of place for Chip to play. Like, it is going to be exciting.
It's called Gateway to the Smokies, and it looks really nice, so we're super excited about that.
So we'll show you guys that too
in
this video, because there's not going to be much else going on.
Right, we're just driving in the rain.
Just driving and paying for fuel.
Yep.
And then driving some more and paying for fuel. But it's the name of the game currently, so
here
we go. Let's go.
That's what we're doing.
Let's do this.
Come along with us.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Here we go.
We're excited.
Adventure.
Woo!
Yay!
All right.
Camping.
We're done.
Woo!
Close it out. Probably. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. What's up, guys?
Hi.
All right, so we made it to the campground. We'll show you a little bit about it. Whenever it's light out, probably record some footage for that tomorrow.
Yep, so we made it to Cedars of Lebanon in Tennessee.
Yes.
For the night.
Yep. And like we said, it's our stay here for one night campground.
Yep.
And then we're leaving at like 9, 10 in the morning to our real campground.
So we got here, we got set up, everything went really great.
Yeah, it was pretty easy to get in. It was good.
Yeah, and then we all took a nap because we were exhausted.
Yeah, that was wonderful.
Yeah.
It was definitely, everyone needed it.
Yeah.
Kids were starting to melt down, that kind of stuff.
Wife was starting to melt down.
Yeah, so at some point you just gotta burp them and put them to sleep, you know.
Anyway, the kids just had dinner. They had mac and cheese and some fruit, and
Yep.
we are getting ready to eat a street taco kit that we got at Sam's Club. And this is what I was looking for when we went to Ohio.
Yep.
And they didn't have any, so I was really excited to find it this time.
The cilantro lime sauce that's inside of it is amazing. The whole kit is fantastic.
Yep, it's all self-contained in one thing, like cheese, meat, tortillas, sauce. So we can just eat right out of it and then throw the packaging and no dirty dishes.
Yeah, so on that note, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yep, have a good night.
See ya.
Bye. What's up, guys? Good morning. We're awake. It's about 7:30 Saturday morning. We only slept here for one night, but it was really good because it's so shaded and it was hot, but because we're in the trees, it wasn't so bad. So we're gonna get up, we're gonna have breakfast. We're gonna pack up and head to our next campground, which is Gateway to the Smokies. That's about 3 hours from here. Brad and the girls are still in bed. We're gonna have our coffee, eat our breakfast, get on the road, and we'll get back to you when we get to Great Smoky Mountain National Park.